So what's going on, YouTubers? This is Dan again, and this is a 2001 Ford Expedition that I have a code of a random misfire. Alright, I had a cylinder 1 misfire and a random misfire actually. So the coils can go bad. Obviously, that is the most common thing for misfire on these 5.4 Tritons, also on the 4.6s. They are also notorious for intake manifolds going bad and leaking coolant into the coilover plugs. But in this case, we were getting moisture on the coilover plugs, which are right here, and also on the other side, obviously. But in this case, it was not the intake manifold, and it was not a bad coil. The intermittent misfire was actually a windshield washer line. Now, as stupid as that sounds, you see this electrical tape we have going on here. Whenever he would use the windshield wipers, it was coating the top of the engine in water, which was soaking over the coil. And even though these coils do have rubber boots on them, they are not a positive seal. So any moisture you get up there can leak down right on top of the plug and create a misfire. So something to keep in mind. And the problem is it'll actually stay there for quite a while because it has the ability to get past the rubber boot, but it will sit there a while because it doesn't have that much room to actually breathe and evaporate back out. So something to keep in mind. Not a good idea to electrical tape your windshield washer lines, because on these engines especially, you will develop a problem with a misfire from this. So just something to keep in mind. Hope you guys, this helps you out, and have a good one. We'll see you next time.